Hey, Spencer here from Trail Tech to announce a huge update for our flagship GPS unit, the Voyager Pro. We're about to roll out what we're calling the POI update, points of interest. What this is food, lodging, parking, and gas. To toggle different points of interest, all you gotta do is hit the lower left corner of your map screen, go to options, scroll down to points of interest. Once you're in the points of interest menu here, you can toggle food, lodging, gas, or parking. Hide all of them or unhide individual. To navigate to a particular POI, all you have to do is tap on the icon. It's going to show you all the information, including the distance. All you have to do is hit navigate, and it's going to snap a line and show you how far you are from that particular POI. All this information will now be on your Voyager Pro unit. So if you're in the backcountry and you're looking on your map at the next town and saying, is there a hotel there? Is there a gas station? How far is that gas station? Just click on your map, shows you the information about the station, navigate, and you're on your way there. It's a game changer in the backcountry.